Hindi ka ba na-promote kahit top performer ka? That is the comment by Purple Ghost Dilao. And I'm sure even you, baka yan yung napagdadaanan mo. I am sorry to hear na top performer ka na tapos hindi ka pa na-promote. Hindi ko alam kung anong context and culture in your company. Pero here are two things that you can do. Number one, level up your skills more and more. Kasi kahit sabihin natin top performer ka, iba rin kasi yung skills sa position na gusto mo. For example, may kilala ko na top performer sila sa sales pero yung nag-manager, hindi na sila top performer, naging one of the worst performers pa. So, know the skills or kung meron ka ng certain background on it, i-sharpen mo pa. Number two, isa rin sa importante ito, let people know that you are good. Minsan kasi, oo nga, ang galing mo nga, pero hindi alam ng mga ibang tao na magaling ka, na okay ka katrabaho. Make it visible. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na magyabang ka na i-flex mo yung mga achievements mo, but there is a way of doing it. Yung importante kasi, pagka nagkakaroon ng meeting sa boardroom, yung mga high executives, kung alam nila yung galing mo, pwedeng masama yung name mo sa roster. Especially kung hindi naman by application yung promotion. So, yun yung pwede mong gawin. Continue to level up your skills and let people know na magaling ka. Alam ko naman magaling ka eh. So, pakita mo sa ibang tao that kaya mo.